Hello friends, myself Hitesh Shahare, working as an assistant professor at SNJB's Shriman Surya Jain College of Pharmacy, Chandwad. I welcome you all. Here I am going to discuss about the tetracyclines. So by this session, learners will be able to know introduction and classification of tetracycline, chemistry of tetracyclines, mode of action of tetracyclines, and their adverse effects. So let us start with introduction part. In 1945, chlorotetracycline as a parent drug of this tetracycline category was discovered in USA by the Dr. Benjamin Dugar. He has isolated this molecule from golden colored soil from the species of actinomycete by fermentation technology. He concluded that this molecule can be biosynthesized from acetic acid and propionic acid units in microorganism. He has isolated these tetracycline molecules from Streptomyces species, Streptomyces aureofaciens. You can see this is a golden colored soil of Streptomyces species which contain these bacteria, and then from these bacteria these molecules were isolated. In 1950, oxytetracycline were isolated from Streptomyces ramosus. In 1953, tetracycline were isolated from the Streptomyces species. These all are orally effective. These tetracyclines are broad spectrum of activity. They act against gram-positive cocci, gram-positive bacilli, gram-negative bacilli, spirochetes, rickettsia and chlamydia. As well, they act against entamoeba, stolytica and plasmodia. That means anti-malarial. If you talk about the classification, these are classified based on the sources, naturally obtained drug and semi-synthetic drugs. Naturally obtained examples are tetracycline, chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline, democlocycline. Semi-synthetic molecules are doxycycline, maclocycline, methacillin, minocycline. Tetracycline are also classified based on the duration of action, short acting, intermediate acting and long acting. Short acting drugs means these are having half-life around 6 to 8 hours. The examples are tetracycline, chlorotetracycline. Intermediate actings means the half-life around 12 hours. The examples are demaclocycline, methacillin. Long acting, the half-life is around 16 hours. Example are doxycycline and minocycline. So this is about the classification of tetracycline. This tetracycline, how it is named? Tetra means the four part. Cycle means the cyclic system what they contain the hydrocarbon rings. In means derivation. So by this name, this tetracycline name has been find out. Coming to the next part, chemistry, SAR of the tetracycline. This is a structure of tetracycline which consists these two main parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1, if we carry out the modification in part 1, that result in loss of activity. Part 2, if we carry out the modification in part 2, that result in increase in activity or that maintain the activity. So this is about the part 2 and this is about the part 1. So let us start from one side and come to another side to finish the all points. This is a general molecule which contain the 4 rings A, B, C, D. So first point over here, we'll start from here and try to complete to this by this likewise. So all tetracycline are a polycyclic naphthalene carboxamide which comprise 4 fuse 6 membered ring, that is A, B, C and D. So all tetracycline derivatives containing less than 4 rings are inactive. The enolized tricarbonyl methane system at carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3 must be intact for maximum activity. Ketoenol system is important for magnesium cation binding and subsequent tetracycline uptake by the bacterial cells. So this is what a ketoenol system between the 2 and 3 carbons. Carbon 2 substitution, if we talk about this carbon 2 substitution, it contains CONH2 carboxamide moiety, which is present in all naturally occurring tetracycline and that are essential for activity. Mono substitution, if you replace this one of the hydrogen of CONH2, so mono substitution on amine is acceptable for the activity. Example, the amino acylation of amide nitrogen by managed reaction that gives a water soluble derivative and it is on hydrolysis gives a prodrug that is a Rowley tetracycline. So this is what the example of Rowley tetracycline, the modification at carbon 2 amide group. If we come about this fourth position, so naturally occurring tetracycline contain carbon 4 having dimethyl amino group which are having alpha orientation. If we carry out here epimerization, that gives epitetracycline and these are less potent than the natural tetracyclines. So the replacement of dimethyl amino group with a hydrazone or oxime or hydroxyl group that lead to loss of activity and that may be because of the heteroatom basicity. So what the conclusion over here is the replacement of C4 dimethyl amino group that decrease the activity. Carbon 5 substitution here, so that contain carbon 5 contain the hydroxy group, example oxytetracycline and oxycycline, that influences the pharmacokinetic properties, that mean ADME properties, and that is responsible for enhancing the action. If you carry out the alkylation of this 5-OH group, that result in loss of activity. Next to this 5A, that tetracycline contain a 5A alpha hydrogen, that is essential. Again, if we carry out here the epimerization, that gives us 5A epitetracycline which are active molecules. Carbon 6 substitution. So here we will talk about carbon 6 substitution. One contain the methyl group. Again here there is a hydroxy group. So 6 alpha methyl and 6 beta hydroxyl group are essential for activity. Carbon 7 and 9 substitution. So here carbon 7 and this is a carbon 9 substitution. Electrophilic substitution, that may be electron donating group or that may be electron withdrawing group. Here the example nitro group or halogen that retain the activity. So this is a chlorine at 7 position that maintain the activity. Next point about this carbon 10 that contain this OH group. So phenolic moiety is essential for the activity. So this is a phenol moiety D ring with the OH group that is essential for activity. Carbon 11 substitution here, that conjugated carbonyl moiety that is a part of ketoenol system essential for the activity. If we carry out alkylation over here, that result in loss of activity. A ring fusion between the A ring and B ring by this 12AOH that makes a fusion between the A and B, that is essential for activity. So this is about the chemistry part of tetracycline. This is a summary. You can see here this conversion of this amide group gives a prodrug. Ketoenol tautomerism at this 2 and 3 position important for activity. Modification of this result in loss of activity because we need carbonyl system, tricarbonyl system 1, 2 and 3 position. that should be intact for activity. Epimerization of this amino group, dimethyl amino group, result in loss of activity. Presence of OH group over here, that is R4, responsible for ADME properties. This methyl group, alpha orientation, beta hydroxy group, that is again important for activity. If we substitute here methyl group, that is again maintain the activity. Electron withdrawing group here, donating group here, as well as at the 9th position, important for activity. This phenolic OH, that is essential for activity. So this is all about the SAR of tetracycline. Now coming to the third part, mode of action. So take a look on this animated video of mode of action of tetracycline. So this is about a small ribosomal subunit, that is a 30S ribosomal subunit. It is a 50S ribosomal subunit. Combination of these two subunits make 70S ribosome, and it gives the platform for protein synthesis. Messenger RNA binds to this 30S ribosome subunit and initiate the protein synthesis process. So for binding of this amino acyl tRNA on this platform, there are two main binding sites. One is P site and another is A site. So P site is responsible for binding of this tRNA and then form the peptide. This A site accept the code from tRNA. So here amino acyl tRNA with its protein code on this platform coordinate with the code of mRNA and form peptide. So this is a peptide formation on this P site. Again amino acyl code from tRNA coordinate with the code of mRNA and form peptide. So again here peptide formation. But when tetracycline binds to this 30S subunit, prevent the attachment of amino acyl tRNA, and that result in inhibition of translation process, that means inhibition of protein synthesis. So there is no further protein synthesis in bacterial cell, and that lead to the death of bacteria. So this is about the mode of action. This tetracycline molecule form the chelates. Chelate with the product which contain the calcium, ferrous, iron, citrate and lipoprotein. So what kind of complex they form? They form the metal complexes which are insoluble in water. So these tetracycline are incompatible with multivitamin iron rich antacid as well hematinics, and it is also incompatible with the consumption of products which are rich in calcium ion. Where we can use the tetracycline? We can use tetracycline in respiratory tract infection, skin and soft tissue infection, relapsing fevers, cholera, acne, urinary tract infection, anthrax, in neurodegenerative disorder, as well it is also used in syphilis. Side effects: GI disturbances, nausea, diarrhea, superinfections such as disturbance in normal flora, liver damage, fatty infiltration we can say, sore throat, headache, stomatitis, photosensitivity, nail discoloration, erythematous rash. So this is about the marketed preparation of tetracycline. This is what this capsule. This is again capsule from the Cipla company. This is oxytetracycline, minocycline preparation. These are the tetracycline dosage form in tablets, as well cream, ophthalmic ointments. So this is all about the tetracycline classification, SAR, mode of action, their use and side effect. Now With this, again I will tell you about how to draw the all tetracycline structures. So take a look on that video. In this section, I will tell you how to draw and remember the tetracycline structures. So let us see first of all the basic nucleus of this. Tetra means 4, cyclic. Tetracyclic means it contains 4 cyclic systems which are fused with each other. Benzene contains 100 bonds. Likewise, when we are going here 1, 2, 3 position. Okay, 1 position, second, third will contain carbonyl group. That should be there, so it should be carbonyl. So that will be alternate system here. The presence of hydroxy and carbonyl group. So let us start with this OH, carbonyl, OH, and then carbon. As we got the same one, tricarbonyl system. With this electron, it contains hydroxy group. At the second position, there is a amide group. Here there is a hydroxy and one more dimethyl amine group. And here two substitution, one is methyl and another is hydroxy. So it is a structure for tetracycline. So once we are getting this tetracycline, it is easy to us for getting the structure of another drug. So from one to the another, chlor-tetracycline indicate the presence of chlorine. That should be here. As we are having the tetracycline, just introduce chlorine at this position and we are getting chlor-tetracycline. So again next to this tetracycline we are having, but with the oxy. Oxy means hydroxy group. So here remove this chlorine and come back to the tetracycline. Hydroxy, oxy means presence of hydroxy group over here, and we are getting this oxy tetracycline. Now we are having this oxy tetracycline. You can see here oxy tetracycline. Again, next letter of D. So it is a deoxy tetracycline or doxycycline. So here D for, remember, deletion of oxy group. Now you can see in this case of oxy tetracycline there are 2 hydroxy at this side. Okay. So just oxy tetracycline we need. We have to delete the other hydroxy group. So it becomes deoxy tetracycline. Next to this, minocycline. Mine means similar, same. Likewise, you can remember. So here, what you can see, this diagram group that should be on the another side. So come back to this tetracycline structure. Remove this CH2H, and here we substitute Dl. The diagram is another group. So it is a similar type of substitution. That is a minocycline. Coming back to one more example, Raleigh tetracycline. So Raleigh tetracycline here. So one of the hydrogen is removed with the other substitution. So coming back to the tetracycline structure first, as we need here tetracycline. Now Raleigh here in this case is a product, so we have to remove this hydrogen of amide group. And likewise, we are getting this Raleigh tetracycline. Thank you. So hope you understood about this. Thank you.